Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down, enter device identifiers and a localized build number. Now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and enter the system. Here we have to tap on developer options and scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. Let's tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will allow the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.